Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for Phonalicious and welcome to this video. In this video, let me talk to you about the Thomson 43-inch 4K TV, which is priced at rupees 28,000. Okay, so in the TV industry, the launch of Xiaomi's Mi TV could be termed as a big bang equivalent. So after the launch of Mi TV, most of the TVs have reduced their price drastically, and there have also been like new brands coming up to offer TVs in this price range. Thomson is one such brand. Thomson is not new to India. They have been selling their TVs probably in the 90s in India, but now this French brand is back, and Thomson TVs are now exclusively available only on Flipkart. So this TV is a 43-inch model 4K TV, 4K LED panel, and it is a smart TV as well. First, let's talk about the design of this TV. The design of the TV is nothing great, nothing out of ordinary, nothing very stylish. It looks like a TV, it is designed like a TV and kind of has thin bezels around it. The TV is mainly made out of plastic and it is very lightweight to handle. Talking about the ports, this TV has 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. Apart from these ports, there are regular ports like RF ports and headphone jack and also PC audio ports. It does not have optical audio output and it also doesn't support Bluetooth, but it has Wi-Fi. And this Wi-Fi supports only the 2.5 GHz frequency and not the 5 GHz frequency. Now let's talk about the video quality, which is very important in any TV. So this is, as I said, a 4K LED panel. The panel has a refresh rate of 60 Hz, which is standard in this price range. Does not support HDR. Well, coming to the quality of the picture that you see on this TV, it has good brightness. The colors are also rich and vivid. It also has a decent contrast level, but the white balance is a bit off. Sometimes you'll have to adjust it for every single channel, but I found an optimal white balance and saved it as my user preset, and that's what you see in this TV right now. And this TV is a 4K TV, but you won't find much of 4K content in India as of today. But keeping that in mind, is this TV good enough to watch your everyday TV? If you watch HD channels in this, the picture quality is really good, but if you're mainly gonna watch SD content, you might find a lot of pixelation around the edges. But what it tells is, this TV does not have a very great upscaling algorithm. It does upscale the HD content, but the SD content upscaling is not up to the mark. Coming to the audio quality, this TV has a 20-watt speaker and the speakers are really loud. It does not give you a rich audio experience. It does have surround audio system and the speakers are really loud. If you are specifically looking for a rich audio experience, I would suggest to connect this TV to any external speaker or a home theater system. This TV comes with a standard remote control which uses 2 AAA batteries, but the remote is very difficult to use. The buttons are not tactile and you really have to be in line inside with the TV to get this actually working. I found it very difficult, especially when entering passwords or entering login credentials using the smart TV. Okay, let's talk about the smart TV featured in this. This TV is running on Android 4.4, but it has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. It also has an inbuilt app store called the Aptoid App Store. You can install any applications that you would like, but I would advise you to install only the apps that you really need, because it just got like 8 GB of internal storage, of which like 5.5 GB is user available. The TV comes pre-installed with a few applications, which also includes your YouTube and Facebook. I also installed Netflix and Hotstar in it. Amazon Prime, I could install it, I could sideload it, but I couldn't get it to work. It also has an application called the Media Center, which is mainly the media playing application, which can play content from your external hard drive or pen drive. So that's about it. So this is the Thomson 4K 43-inch TV priced at rupees 28,000. Should you buy it or not? If you're really tight on the budget and if you think that you really need a 4K TV, go for it. But even otherwise, just explore or look at the other HD TV models from Thomson. The picture quality is what that impresses me in this TV. Sound quality is also loud, but if you are an audiophile, if you're looking specifically audio separation, you might need to use an external speaker system with this TV. So this is my review of the Thomson 4K TV. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.
Your heart